do want to get back to making knives, but since I've been on a tear making various improvements to my tools, there's just one more tool that I need to improve, and then I can get back to making knives. There's actually a few that people have asked me to make, and I'm behind, so let's get going on this. Now, I do not know what these pliers actually are supposed to be used for. I picked them up for a few bucks at Harbor Freight, and I've been using them in lieu of proper blacksmith tongs, and they've been okay, but kind of suboptimal in that role. Let me demonstrate the problem. So I have a knife that I'd like to grip and put it into the forge or put it into a quench tank. Notice the gripping surface here, right? There's a really only a small amount of grip, and here's what happens if I try to grip it. Oops. Yep, exactly that. So I have to be quite careful. And the reason for this, of course, is that these are not made for this. So what I need to do, what I would like to do is, I would like to get rid of the needle nose, which I don't use for any reason whatsoever. Right about here. And then I'd like to carve out a relief behind the primary gripping area, and I think this will improve the grip of these quite a bit. And in the worst case I'll ruin them, but given that they haven't really worked properly in the first place, that's not that big of a deal. It is not the prettiest of tools, however, it does do the job. Now, let's make some knives.